Draw alphabets on a cardboard and cut them. For making thick layer, you will require more cutouts. Join them by using tape. For making mold, take 1 cup of wheat flour, add water and make a dough. Add 1 spoon oil and mix it well. Now press the wheat dough by your hands. Insert the letter cutout as shown. For making candle, you will need wax. Add wax crayon for making colorful candle. By using double boiler method, melt the wax. For making candle wick, you need to dip any thread in melted wax. Pour the wax inside the mold, insert the candle wick and add wax. Wait for 5 minutes. Your love candle is ready. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. The link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.